And welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how you can set up your Honda Civic car's clock. And first step is that we have to turn on our car's power, that there is power in our dashboard. And after that we go in this watch area and this clock area, and there is this my clock. And now I like to set up this 2 and like clock 2. Now it's like 1. And then there is thing that I have to understand, that there is small button in this radio area. This is really confusing, and now I have to press this my clock button so long that it is not only sharp press, it is long press, that this area in here. Normally radio comes also on, and then we can notice that we have made mistake. But look this sign. Now when I press this clock button long, yes, it start to blink. This is the thing. Let's repeat. And it means that now I have to go in here, and there's small clock, and I have to press that 5 seconds so long that we hear this beep sound. Yes, and after that we can see that now clock is blinking, and then I have to understand again some interesting things, that in this button area there is more minutes, reset, and this is hours. And when I press this button in here, that area in that way, then suddenly this 1 hour moves. And now I press that again, 3, and that way. And of course, when we go in here, next one is minutes. This is really interesting, Honda's way. Small, that one, 10 minutes runs. Okay, and now we can look at what happens. Now I press the minutes, 15, 16, okay, and this is looks good. And then when I like to set up in here this 2, like clock 2, I have to go in back in here and press that like clock 2. Let's look at how I'm do that. 7. Yes, there's even 24 hours. Great. Now I like to install in here 14, and then when I like to set up like 14:00, I can press this minutes buttons that I can keep that all time down. And now we have soon 40. Yes, now we are ready. And then final step is that I have to go to press that clock button again in long time. Look, and I have to listen this beep. Okay, now it actually, we notice that now it automatically ends. Okay, and this was this Honda's clock adjusting, and this was quite difficult job, but when we are Honda owners, we can think that we have always very interesting things with our Honda. But Honda is excellent car, and you can trust that Honda works in many years an excellent way.